We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with BFRI, one of the top short squeeze plays right now that everyone's watching, and it's pulled down drastically. And we're going to talk about why this is one of the top stocks you want to be aware of and pay close attention to, and what the data is showing. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us, every single morning we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with BFRI. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, BIOL and NXTD. Let's go ahead and look at how they performed and when we caught them. So BIOL, I caught this one as the market open at around 9.33, and it was sitting at around 44.45 cents, give or take, and it started pushing upwards, and it hit a highest point of 55 cents, giving us 20% plus in a matter of 20 minutes, guys. Our other home run was NXTD. I caught this one as the bell open. It was pulling downwards. I was watching it to level off, hit a low here of about $4, reversed with strength on 42 vision, got that bull indicator on ultimate 42 vision, and took off for a highest point here of about 15% to 20%, pulled back down, took off again, and from the point I mentioned it to the lows all the way to the highs of the day, it gave a highest point of 25% plus, guys. So if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So as we see here, BFRI with 42 vision and ultimate 42 vision on the 30-minute, it is under a bear indicator. And if we zoom out under the 4-hour, it is under a bull indicator since way down here at $5.52, guys. And by the way, you can now gain access to the 42 vision indicator as well. The bull and bear indicators have been released, ultimate 42 vision. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator. And by joining, you'll gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and the clarity you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets with the premium indicators of 42 vision. So check out the link down below in the description. So BFRI, yes, it's under a bear indicator, went into weakness. I mean, it jumped up to $13, hit lows here of 11, and it's trying to fight back up, right? Currently sitting at $11.84, and it's been jumping back and forth between $12 and $11.70 the last several minutes. Now, when you look at this, though, it's going from red bars into red with green borders, and you could see the shift happening, right? The next part of that equation would be dark green and then going into green and continuing the upward momentum. But right now it's struggling. We need to see what's going on. The 4-hour is showing us a bullishness since $5, but the 30-minute, it just shifted from a bull indicator down here in the 10s all the way up to 14, came back down and just hit a bear indicator here on the $12 mark. So what's going on? Like, what's going to make this possibly squeeze even further than we've seen when this was near its all-time highs and 52-week high range, right? Well, it's the number one short squeeze score of 99.13. Borrow fee rate is 165, but the days to cover is pretty low, 0.09, right? But the short interest, guys, this is phenomenal for a squeeze beyond what we've seen. 47% in the float. That is huge, okay? And the float volume per day ratio is in the 50s, okay? When we come over here, 50s, back to back, back to back, back to back. Now, if you look here, okay, short shares availability, the last 10 minutes ago, it is 0. So what did they do on last week, on Thursday? Well, they went ahead and covered, made it go up, and today those same shorts that covered are re-shorting it and putting the pressure. And right now we have 0 short shares availability and nearly 50% of the float, guys. Think about this. This is pretty high. Is short interest float. That is huge. That is huge. And we are seeing some very big volatility here. I mean, this is going down all the way to 11.22, and it hit a high here of $12 nearly, $11.99 in just a matter of minutes. Now, when you really think about it, it got rejected there, and now it's down to 11.23. So this is a pivotal moment here if the bulls can break through it and start using it as support and trap some of the shorts that are shorting up here, and some covering can start. And there's a lot of shorts that haven't covered that have been shorting since way down here in this area. That's going to be important as well. So I would be watching this one closely. This is the top short squeeze score stock right now and top possible squeeze score. It's been squeezing, and a lot of investors have their eyes on it because it could possibly squeeze even further. I mean, the way this is moving is very interesting. The amount of short interest it has is very interesting. The only leverage that the shorts have to manipulate the stock and make it go up and back down, which can trap those that can't clearly see what's going on, is the days to cover, guys. 0.09 is pretty low. It gives them flexibility to do this type of action of making it go up, making it go back down, making it go up, making it go back down. So definitely something to keep in mind, but not one to overlook. And we need to see what's going on because this could possibly break out to newer highs. Now, if it was to break out to newer highs, I would not get too greedy because the higher this goes, the bigger it could fall once the hype and speculation is over, and once those shorts that actually are forced to cover and get trapped do that. There's nothing much more going for this other than those shorts trying to re-short it and bring it back down. So keep that in mind. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. So if you made it to this point in the video, you're going to see the 2 home runs of the day. And I want you to look at the charts where the bull and bear indicators are. This all happens live, and this is all now released, guys. The premium indicators are all released. The ultimate 42 vision bull and bear indicators, 42 vision and 42 vision 2.0 are now actively released. So here you have BIOL, and the next part of this video, you're going to see it in just a moment. It's going to be NXTD. Those are the 2 home runs of the day. Take a look at the bull and bear indicators where they're at. Look at the strength and weakness on 42 vision, shifting from red to green or white to green, and from green back to red or white as well, showing extreme weakness. And see for yourself how this could enhance your charting experience. It is doing it for every single member that has joined. They are loving it, and I'm sure you will as well. Check out the link down below to the 42 vision indicator. You will gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and the premium indicators to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets with the clarity it brings, guys, and the clarity you deserve. Once again, as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.